Parisian elegance in a small home, a sophisticated sanctuary in the city. There's something quietly magical about stepping into a small home in Paris, especially one that feels both intimate and effortlessly elegant. Today, we're exploring a space that proves you don't need grand square footage to live beautifully. This isn't about perfection or luxury for luxury's sake. It's about thoughtful choices, personal stories, and the art of living well in a compact footprint. Think of this as a gentle walk through a home that feels collected over time, where every corner has a purpose and every detail whispers sophistication. As you step through the front door, the first thing you notice isn't the size, it's the atmosphere. Soft light filters through tall windows, bouncing off pale walls and warm wood tones. The entryway is modest, yet welcoming, with a slim console table and a mirror that instantly expands the sense of space. It's a reminder that in small homes, first impressions come from mood rather than scale, and here the mood is calm, refined, and quietly confident. The living area may be compact, but it feels layered and lived in rather than crowded. A petite sofa dressed in neutral linen anchors the room, paired with a vintage armchair that looks like it has stories to tell. Books are stacked thoughtfully, not styled to perfection, but arranged with intention. This is a room designed for conversation, afternoon tea, and slow evenings. Proof that comfort and elegance can absolutely share the same small footprint. One of the home's greatest strengths is its use of light. Instead of heavy colors, the palette leans toward creams, soft grays, and muted pastels, allowing daylight to do most of the decorating. Mirrors are placed strategically, reflecting both light and architectural details. The result is a space that feels airy and open, even when the floor plan is tight. It's a gentle lesson in how restraint often creates more impact than bold statements. The kitchen is narrow but cleverly organized, where every centimeter works hard without feeling utilitarian. Open shelves display everyday dishes like cherished objects, while compact appliances tuck neatly into custom cabinetry. There's a small round table by the window, just enough space for morning coffee and a croissant, reminding us that rituals matter more than square meters when it comes to daily joy. Behind the elegance lies smart planning. Built-in cupboards stretch to the ceiling, turning overlooked vertical space into valuable storage. Furniture often serves double duty: a bench with hidden compartments, a coffee table with drawers. These solutions don't shout for attention, but they quietly maintain the home's sense of calm. It's a masterclass in how thoughtful storage allows beauty to remain front and center. What truly brings the home to life are the personal elements scattered throughout. Framed photographs, a small collection of ceramics, and a few well-chosen artworks create a sense of identity without clutter. Nothing feels staged. Instead, it feels deeply personal, like a reflection of a life well lived. These touches remind us that style isn't about following trends. It's about surrounding yourself with pieces that hold meaning. The bedroom continues the theme of understated elegance. Soft textiles, layered bedding, and warm bedside lighting create a cocoon-like atmosphere. Space is limited, but the design focuses on comfort and tranquility rather than excess furniture. A simple wardrobe keeps the room uncluttered, while subtle textures add depth. It's the kind of space that encourages rest, reflection, and slow mornings. There's a reason homes like this resonate so deeply. They prioritize quality over quantity and intention over excess. In a world that often celebrates bigger and faster, small Parisian homes remind us to slow down and appreciate the details. They show that elegance isn't about how much you have, but how thoughtfully you live with what you choose to keep around you. As we step back out onto the bustling street, the memory of this small sanctuary lingers. It's proof that even in the heart of a busy city, a home can feel peaceful, personal, and deeply refined. Parisian elegance at its core is about balance, beauty paired with practicality, simplicity paired with warmth. And perhaps the biggest lesson is this: No matter the size of your home, a thoughtful approach can transform it into a sophisticated retreat that truly feels like your own.